जी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इस वक्त हम हैरिस मेथोडस हॉस्पिटल बेडफोर्ड के सामने मौजूद हैं, जहाँ पे एमरजेंसी एंट्रेंस के सामने, जहाँ पे DFW मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी की तरफ से एक फूड इनिशिएटिव फ्रंट लाइन रिस्पॉन्डर, जिसमें हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्स शामिल हैं, उनको दी गई। और जहाँ पे हमारे साथ DFW कम्युनिटी के मेंबर्स मुबशर वराज, डॉक्टर नवीद क्लियर और दूसरे लोग शामिल, जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे एमरजेंसी एंट्रेंस के सामने इस वक्त जो एप्रिशिएशन वर्क हुआ, जहाँ पे लोगों को जो है ना फूड ड्राइव पेश की गई। तो इसी सिलसिले में हम बात करते हैं जहाँ के लोगों से।
So today is a very special day. We are here at HEB Hospital, that is Hearst, Euless and Bedford Hospital. It's a well-known area hospital. So North Texas community came together and they decided to give back to the community. So this is one of the giving back event that we have, and it is well received. A lot of executive people from the hospital came. We just met with the vice president, Mr. Brandon, vice president of the hospital. Also, there was a nurse manager from the ER and a lot of other people. There was actually director outreach. So everybody was so happy that the Muslim community came out and reach out to these people and help them out. And also, they were really appreciative for the food that we brought. And we, in turn, really appreciated them for the hard work they've been doing. You know, in all this COVID epidemic that's been happening for last 2-3 months now, you know, they've been working very hard and they have been exposing themselves to all this COVID-19 when those sick patients come to the hospital. So we decided to appreciate them, and it's a well-received event, and we will continue the similar events in the future. Thank you.